All right, we're using 1 jar of unsweetened applesauce. Now I'm coming in with 1 box of spice cake. Use that whole box with that whole jar of applesauce. Oh, smells like fall in here. Woo, love that smell. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my spatula and we are going to blend these 2 ingredients. Okay, and this was just 20 ounces of applesauce that we got in here, and that is the perfect amount to get our batter nice and ready for 1 box of cake mix. Just make sure there's no more dry parts left. It's okay if it's a little thick. It will be more like muffin mix in that way, but we definitely don't want any dry lumps in there. Oh, this is looking delicious. Okay, that looks ready. Now we are going to transfer this into a piping bag. I have this large piping bag ready. Sorry guys, I can't help myself, but I won't touch the batter. And we're gonna go ahead, get that right in there. Slowly but surely. Just get as much batter in your piping bag. We don't want it to overflow, so I'm not gonna put the whole bowl in there, but we will be using this entire bowl. Okay, go ahead, pick it up. Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious, you guys. All right, let's put that to the side. Now I'm gonna come in with my donut pan because we are making apple cider donuts. How fun is that? I'm gonna go ahead and get my butter Pam, and we need to make sure to spray this Pam nice because we want those donuts to come out perfect. Beautiful. All right, come back in with our piping bag and we're gonna cut the tip of that. Woo! Wanted to come out right away and just fill our donut pan nice and easy. Don't overfill it or else they'll just become little muffin tops, and that's not what we want. We want donuts. Beautiful. Just quick and easy. I like using the piping bag because then we don't get any flowage on top of the center part that is supposed to be empty. Beautiful. Okay, so I only have this 1 donut pan, so we're gonna have to do a couple batches, but this is gonna go in the oven at 350 for only like 30 minutes. Oh my, look how good they came out. All right, let's go ahead and flip these out. Woo, perfect. They look so yummy. Okay, now you can leave these as your delicious 2 ingredient donuts, but I need a little bit of icing on my donuts. So I have this cream cheese icing that I just melted just oh so slightly. And I'm gonna grab a fork and we're gonna dip our fork in and just do a nice little drizzle right on top. Make sure not to get too big a drizzle on these because then they will not be cute. Oh my goodness, and I did let these cool a little bit. So they are ready to enjoy. Oh my, look how adorable those are. I am obsessed. We're gonna plate them with our cute little Casper plate that I just got today. And it is the perfect season to be spooky, but have yummy treats. So that's why this plate is perfect. Okay, try to fit all of these in there. Oh my, without covering his face, right? We don't want to cover up his face because that's the cutest part. All right, you guys, look how delicious these look. It is time for me to try one. Woo! They look so good. That's a winner.